Imagine spending the next 12 months learning SQL, Excel, Power BI, and Python only to discover that you entered data analytics too late. No jobs, too much competition, AI is doing the work. This is the fear stopping thousands of people from starting. So, today, let's answer the question honestly. Is data analytics still a good career in 2026, or are you already too late? Every year, people say the same thing. This field is saturated. There are no jobs. AI will replace everyone. Yet, every year, new people get hired. So, who's right? The answer is somewhere in the middle. Data analytics is not dead, but easy opportunities are. Few years ago, learning a few tools could make you stand out. Today, thousands of people know SQL. Thousands of people know what Power BI does. Thousands of people know Excel because internet has made learning easy, which means competition increased. That's what changed. And this is exactly where most people misunderstand the market. Companies are not running out of data, they are drowning into it. Banks, hospitals, retail stores, startups, manufacturing companies, every business generates more data today than ever before. The problem isn't collecting data, the problem is understanding it. That's why analysts still exist. Most beginners think company pay for SQL. They don't. Companies don't care about SQL. Companies don't care about Power BI, neither they care about Python. They care about outcomes. Can you help increase revenue? Can you identify customer problem? Can you reduce the cost? Or can you help leaders make better decisions? That's what they pay for. The tools are just instruments. Let's talk about the biggest fear, AI. Can AI write SQL? Yes. Can AI create dashboards? Yes. Can AI clean data? Yes. And can AI help analysts work faster? Absolutely. But here is the important question. Who asks the right business questions? Who understands stakeholders' requirement? Who decides what should be analyzed? Who explain the insights to the management? That's where humans still create value. The winners aren't the people who are competing against AI. The winners will be people using AI. Let's be brutally honest. Some people will struggle. If your plan is watch tutorials, memorize syntax, copy projects from YouTube, and apply for jobs, then you are competing against thousands of people doing the exact same thing. And that's why many people feel stuck. The people who will succeed will understand the business problems, build meaningful projects, learn communication, use AI effectively, stay consistent, and most importantly, keep learning. These are the skills which are much harder to replace. If I started from zero in 2026, I would focus on Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, projects, portfolio, business understanding, and the AI tools. Not because each tool gets you a job, because together these tools make you valuable. Most beginners focus on tools, and very few focus on the business. That's the opportunity. Anyone can learn SQL or Power BI, but few people understand why the revenue dropped, or why customers are leaving, or how a company can make better decisions. That's where careers are built. So, is data analytics still a good career in 2026? And the answer is yes. But it's no longer enough to learn tools. You must learn how to solve the problems. The competition is higher, the expectations are higher, but the opportunities are still massive for the people willing to put in the work. If you are starting today, you are not late. You are entering a more competitive version of the field, and that's a completely different thing. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest concern about becoming a data analyst in 2026? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're serious about building a career in data analytics, subscribe to Sagar Data Labs because we are building that journey together. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.